Hey guys, back with another video. Today we're going to do another upgrade on the Tundra. As you saw in that opening clip, the front end of the Tundra is all LED, so the running lights and the headlights, high beams, fog lights, everything is LED, which is awesome. I really like that. But for some reason, they made the blinkers are just regular incandescent bulbs. And so what you can see in that view is that the headlights really kind of overpower the blinkers. And I mean, personally, I think it might be a safety issue where some people may not be able to see the fact that you have your blinker on. So today what we're going to do is we're going to upgrade those to LED bulbs. And seems like it's a pretty easy process, you know, just changing them out. Let me show you what I've got. So I picked up these JDM LED bulbs off of Amazon. I think they were like 30 bucks. You know, naturally not the most expensive ones, but just, you know, for this, I think that they'll do. All of the reviews were really good on them. So we should be all right with them. I'll link these below if you want to pick them up for your Tundra. And let's go ahead and we'll pop the hood and get these installed. So we've got the hood popped here. Got the 5.7 V8 in our Tundra. Loving this thing. I mean, just look at the heads on this engine. It's just a beast. So to get to these, it's going to be a little bit tricky, and I'll see if I can show this to you. But right here behind the battery, right here in this space, there's going to be a gray bulb. You can get that guy. That's going to be your blinker on this side. And on the passenger side, right behind your overflow bottle, might be able to see it right there. That wire is going to be the bulb over there. So let's work over here on the driver's side and we'll get this guy out. So a quick little turn and we've got it popped out here. Whoops, and that's not good to drop it down there. Let's get that real quick. All right, it couldn't get away. So there's the standard bulb, incandescent. So let's replace it with the LED bulb, these guys again. And what we'll do is we can kind of, I've got the hazard lights on. You want to test these with your actual blinkers rather than just your hazards. But we'll put this guy in and then we'll kind of do a side-by-side to see how they look. So here they are out of the package. You can see the LEDs, the amber LEDs on each side, on the top there. I don't know if there's a way that you should or shouldn't put these in from a directional perspective, but we'll put them in here and see what we get. I've got the bulb socket kind of lodged in there to see if I can get this put in while you guys are able to see it. So we wasn't able to put that in there while you guys were watching. Not enough hands, but as you can see just there, I mean, gosh, it's a lot brighter. So let's reach down in there, put it back into its home. Got it seated in there. Give it a twist to lock it in, and it's in. And let's back up and take a look at these side by side. So over here LED, over here incandescent, way brighter. Let's turn the headlights on and do a comparison. All right, here we go. good comparison. Standard bulb here, LED here, no comparison. This is with the headlights on again, and I mean, so much brighter over here on the LED side. So I think this is going to be a great upgrade. You know, that's going to keep us safe. People can see our blinker, and it looks good. So really quick and easy update there, guys. We'll do the passenger side, and we'll call this upgrade done. But just wanted to share that with you. If you have a Tundra, you know, you may want to check that out. Get the LED package. You know, make sure that those bulbs are updated too. So until next time, guys, love it if you left us a comment on if you've done this before, how you've had good luck. Also, be sure to like the video, give us a subscribe. Really helps out the channel to get that interaction. So until next time, guys, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.